Welcome back, traders. Getting ready for another trading week. Setting up here with the power zone. Let me show you what I do with the power zone with the 60-minute chart. This is the Aussie Canadian. The signals last week were spot on. Okay, traders. This is the Aussie Canadian. Here's Sunday, so this is all I do. I come over here, Sunday, move it here. That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And the DTR is 68 pips for the daily trading range on this pair. Spread it out a little bit, then I'll do my analysis. Yeah, the power zone called some awesome trends last week. Awesome trend moves. Okay, so actually it's 5:02 right now. The 5:02 right now, and looks like it's gonna go down a little bit. Yeah, it looks like overall it's gonna wave its way back down until 8. Looks like 8 a.m. in the morning, and we're gonna start going back up. But the best move if you're in a short or you want to take a short, it's going to be here on Tuesday, and the time is going to be at 12 p.m. on Tuesday. These are all New York times. So 12 p.m. Tuesday, look for a down move on the Aussie Canadian until we get to looks like Wednesday here. You're going to get some sort of a pullback here at 11 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday. And we're going to start going back up, but not that long until Wednesday night at 20, looks like 2100. 2100, which is 9 o'clock p.m. New York time. Okay, and then we're going to start going. Looks like it's really not going anywhere. It's just going sideways. Looks like it's going to go back up and do some sideways movement here. But if it's, yeah, it looks like sideways. And it looks like it's going to try to make a move up at 10 a.m. on Thursday. A very short move. And looks like it goes up. It looks like sideways from here on out from there. Then it goes up, and then it comes right back down, and then it tries to go up. This is a smaller bar here at 2100, but it's really not doing much. And then it goes up side. This is sideways movement, traders. So the best opportunities are going to be Sunday's going to go down, work its way down until Monday, and it's going to go right back up again Monday at 8 a.m. It's going to go up. It's going to fall here too as well. You're going to get a dip here at 2100 on Monday night. It's going to go down, and then it's going to drop here, but then it's going to go right back up again. So it's going to drop 3 a.m. in the morning, and then let's put a thing here, 3 a.m. and it's going to go right back up at 6 a.m. I don't know how the retracement, but the best trade is going to probably be Tuesday, 12 p.m. That looks like the longer duration of the down move here on the Aussie Canadian. So that's what I do for the pairs, and then I go to the next. So I got a lot to do. So I was just showing you how I do one of them. But as you can see here, I got to do all of these pairs. All right, traders. So I'll update you back when I'm done with analyzing the other pairs that I trade. Again, the power zone trend was on fire last week. The signals. All right, traders. I'll pause the video and then I'll update you back on these other trades. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. All right, so the Aussie US dollar right now it's about 605, and looks like the Aussie dollar is going to take a small dip, but it's really not significant. Looks like sideways. It's going to go down, go up, go down, and then my first trade will be here 11 o'clock a.m. on Monday, New York time. I'm looking for a down move on the Aussie US dollar. And then also another move down here at 2100 on Tuesday night. Okay, it's about 9 p.m. Tuesday. And I'm looking for a down move. All right, on the Aussie US dollar. Then a reversal here at 1300 for an up move on the Aussie US dollar up until 3 a.m. in the morning on Thursday. And then we're looking for another down move here. Okay, down move until about 12. Looks like 11 a.m. And then we're going to start going back up slowly. And then on Friday at 5 a.m. in the morning, look like for a drop. And then a reversal here at 10 a.m. in the morning. And we're going to start going back up. Okay, that's the Aussie US dollar 50 DTR is 50 pips. Next up is going to be Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand right now, Sunday looks like it's going to make a down move, but looks like overall, once it finishes with this down move, it's going to go sideways, and then it looks like it's going to break up to the north until you got a peak here. You got some nasty pullbacks here, but overall it's going up until we'll see up until Wednesday at 3 a.m. in the morning. But you got a lot of pullbacks here. 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm going to look to exit and possibly take a short trade here at 3 a.m. in the morning and see what kind of pippage we can get out of this Euro New Zealand. Then it's going to go back up at 2 a.m. on Thursday in the morning, chop around, and looks like a formation here, and then drop here at 11 a.m. looks like the, no, you know what? 9 a.m. looks like the peak, but it's definitely probably going to go down. All right, so, and then I'm going to go down. There's a little pullback right here at 2100, and then it's just going to go right back down until 2 a.m. in the morning on Friday, back up, then down at 7 a.m. in the morning, and then it looks like it's going to continue its way down. Okay, that's a Euro New Zealand. Okay, next up is going to be the Great British Pound JPY coming in here. Sunday looks like we're going to make a down move, but I'm not looking for this one right at the moment because I don't think it's nothing really happening. Market is a little slow now. And then my first trade will be 5 a.m. in the morning Monday. I look for a down move on the Great British Pound JPY until about 8 p.m. on Monday, and I'm going to look for an up move until about maybe 16 or 1600 on Tuesday to exit the trade because it looks like it's going to go down and we're going to go sideways, and then maybe the drop is going to come here at 11 a.m. on Wednesday. Look for a down move on the Great British Pound JPY up until about 2100, and then the lines go pretty flat. Now the histogram itself looks like it's making some sort of an up move, but I will not be trading Thursday and Friday with this pair because it's unclear. Okay, unless I use technicals on Ninja Trader or MetaTrader 4. But there's other pairs that have more significant moves. So just won't trade this after Thursday, Friday. Okay, and then next up is going to be the U.S. dollar Canadian. It's got some wild action, traders, this week. Last week was a huge, nice trend. I'll show you what it looked like. You could see the trend here from it started, the up move started back here, and worked its way up, and boom. And then this was Sunday of last week here, and this was the previous week, and you could see the huge uptrend that was already in the power zone. Beautiful. They called a lot of the other trades as well, the Euro New Zealand, the Aussie trend moves, the pound. Just awesome. Signals were on the money. Okay. So the dollar Canadian's got a lot of violent moves, it looks like, traders, in it this week. So I'm looking for a down move on the dollar Canadian at 2200. Look for a down move, and then 7 a.m. in the morning, looking for an up move on the dollar Canadian, and then looking for a reversal at 12 a.m. 12 p.m. and looks like it's going to go down until 1700. We'll see how, sometimes on the chop zone it doesn't move that much, but then again, sometimes it does. Okay, so 1700 is going to go right back up. And then another short opportunity. No, actually, I'm not going to take a short here. Just exit a long trade from here because it's going to chop around and it's going to go, looks like it's going to go higher. So I'll just have to watch out for this exit here, possibly. And then this is going to be the short trade here at 12 p.m. on Tuesday. Look for a down move on the dollar Canadian Tuesday. And then it just gets really nasty on Wednesday here. So be careful on Wednesday because, it looks like it's going to go up, down, and then boom, shoot up violently, pull back slightly, and then go up and then drop here at 2200. Oh, it's going to be real tricky. So maybe you can take a trade here 11 a.m., but it's going to be real violent. 11 a.m. and then watch out for the drop coming 2200 on Wednesday, going into Thursday. Okay, and then once it bottoms out here at 12 a.m., it's going to go right back up, trader. So just be aware of that. Well, the dollar Canadian is a nice pullback. Here's another up move. And then Thursday at 12 p.m. New York time, it's going to go down again until 1500, chop around, and then it's going to go sideways, drop a little bit, sideways, pull back, drop, sideways movement here. Because it's going to be non-farm payroll, so it's really not going to move. So your last significant move is going to be here at 12 p.m. on Thursday until we find out what's going on with the non-farm payrolls. Because I see a small moves here. You see a move here 5 a.m. up until 11 a.m. in the morning. So let's just put that there so I have a reference when I get there. And then 12 p.m. Looks like, no, 11. It's like 11 a.m. And it's just going to start going sideways. Looks like it's going down now. Alright, so that's 70. Let's see, you know what? It's actually more, the PTR is different on its own on traders. It's actually 83 pips. 83 pips. Alright, so that's the dollar Canadian. Some wild action here, traders. So again, just be conscious of the times because you can get some nasty pullbacks with this dollar Canadian if you're not using the software. Okay, so next up is going to be the New Zealand US dollar here Sunday. Looks like to me a big down move on this pair. I was not expecting that, but yeah, it looks like it's going down. So I guess I'll be favoring shorts until Wednesday, traders. So any kind of pullback, my first short trade is going to be 11 p.m. Oh, I keep saying it. 11 a.m. in the morning on Monday. 11 a.m. in the morning on Monday. Okay, and then Tuesday, another short move at 1900, and it's going down. Looks like it's just going down. So, and then what happens? I will trade the pound New Zealand in the opposite direction. So if I'm taking shorts on the New Zealand US dollar, they're inverse pairs. I'll also take a trade on the opposite pair in the opposite direction. Okay, so it looks like the New Zealand US dollar is going down until Wednesday. You're gonna get some his pullback right here at 5 a.m. in the morning, slight, and it goes sideways and it drops again. Excuse me, traders. All right, so that's and then I'll start looking for long opportunities on Wednesday at 1300. But then there's another short again here at 3 a.m. in the morning, and then go down till 12 p.m. on Thursday. And it looks like it tries to make its way sideways back up as a long trade. All right, so that's the New Zealand US dollar. Okay, next up is going to be the pound US. Pound US is coming in here. Looks like it's gonna drop actually, traders. But it looks really funky, so I am gonna wait until that Tuesday. Let's see, yeah, Tuesday at 1 a.m. in the morning. I'm looking for an up move on the pound US. Okay, and then once we get here at 1500, I look to exit my trade and take a short trade. Well, it looks like a retracement here. And it pulls back slightly here at 5 a.m. in the morning, and then we look like we're going to go down at, excuse me, 11, pull back. Looks like 11 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday. Looks like it's going to go down. We got a move down here at 8 a.m. down till 10. That's 2 hours. So then it pulls back and then drops again. So it's short too at 8 a.m. in the morning on Wednesday. So I would grab, maybe grab some pips, and then depending how, that's for an hour and up move. So the pound can move pretty significant in an hour. All right, and then it looks like it's just going to go back down, and then it's going to go sideways and go right back up again. Oh, brutal. Sideways here. This is sideways because it's going to go back and it's going to go drop again. Sideways, drop some more. So you got a significant drop here at 11 a.m. on Thursday, and you also have a drop here at 6 a.m. in the morning on Thursday as well. Pound US dollar, and then we get into a big mess here. 8 at 8 p.m. on Thursday. It looks like it's going to go up, drop. Oh, yeah. Then 3 a.m. in the morning, go back up until 4. It's sideways. Look at this. Back, up, and down. Yeah. This is tough trading here. But if you don't know, that's why it's nice to have the signals ahead of time. And that may happen. Nothing's 100%. And so I can watch out for all of this mess and not even trade it, or, scalp it or something like that. But it looks really messy here. Thursday, Friday. and even Wednesday for that matter. All right, so that's the pound US, very, very choppy. Okay, and then we have the pound New Zealand, which is pretty clear. This one looks like it's just gonna go in a trend to the upside. So 1900 and continue along its way till Wednesday at 11 a.m. And it's gonna pull back. It's gonna go right back up again, higher, until 12 p.m. on Thursday. This one's probably like the easiest and the clearest. 12 a.m. 12 p.m. Sorry. Excuse me. Down move until 8 o'clock on Thursday. Pulls back 2300. Down 3 in the morning. Back up. And 5 in the morning. We're gonna drop again. Yeah, it's till 9. And then it looks like it's just gonna go down from there. Okay, so that's the pound New Zealand. This one's pretty simple. Very nice, clean. See how the slope is? Very nice. Up. You got some movement here, but it's up, then down, then back up again. Nice moves. Down 2100, and then starts to chop around towards the end of Thursday into Friday. But it's very, very smooth compared to some of the other pairs. Okay, that's a pound New Zealand. Next up, the US dollar JPY. This one had a nice trend move on this one on last week as well. All right, so my first trade on the US dollar JPY is gonna be 10 a.m. on a Monday. Look for it. It's like down move until 8 p.m. on Monday evening, New York times, and it looks like a nice trend to the north until still going. It's a down move here, 3 a.m., but not that significant. For about 3 hours, and it pulls back again, and then the short opportunity is going to come here at 1300 on Wednesday. Look for a down move on the dollar yen. So about 1600 is going to go sideways, pull back up again, drop at 10 a.m. on Thursday. And then it looks like it's going to go down until 3 a.m. on Friday. And then you got sideways movement from there. Up, down, up, down. All right, that's a dollar yen. Got some good trades in there. Okay, next up is going to be the Euro Australian dollar. This one's setting up for, I think I'm short already on this pair. I'm going to take a short trade on this one, definitely. Hold that. 2 a.m. in the morning, looks like for a down move until 7 a.m. in the morning. It's going to pull back. And then we're going to go sideways. Looks like overall it's going to go back up, down, up, like sideways move, but it looks like a nice uptrend here. So Tuesday is going to peak out here at 1300, and it's going to go down. It's going to go back up, and let's see, it's going to go down. It's going to go back up at 8 p.m. on Tuesday, but not, it's for an hour or two. Well, actually, it's 3 hours. And I really don't see nothing significant until we get here on Thursday at 9 a.m. in the morning. It looks like a nice down move here. Okay, and then it looks like we're going back up at 3 a.m. and 2 a.m. in the morning on Friday. And then looks like a drop at 7 a.m. and 10 a.m. Euro Australian. All right. So next up is going to be the pound Aussie, last pair. Going to be the pound Aussie. The pound Aussie's coming in here. It looks like it's going to make an up move until 8 o'clock. And looks like it's going to chop around. Looks like overall it's going to go up. So I guess my first trade on the up move would be at 2100 on Monday. So maybe I'll take a short. We'll see what happens when we get to this time here at 8 p.m. tonight, Sunday. And that depends how when I get the video out. And then look like an up move here at 2100, and it looks like it is going to go up from there. Got some pullbacks into the trend if it's going to the north at 2100 on Tuesday, and peak out here at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, and look for a down move in the pound Aussie, and then look for an up move here at 2300 on Wednesday, and then into Thursday, short move at 11 a.m. on Thursday, and then look for a down move until 3 a.m. in the morning on Friday, and then we got chop. Up, down, up, down, up, down. It looks like overall it's going down, and oh, brutal. Brutal. Chop here, big time. So watch out for that Friday. Okay, the chop is going to start at 3 a.m. in the morning. Then it's going to go up. Then it's going to pull back. 6 a.m. Then it's going to go back up again. Then it's going to go back down again. 9 o'clock, back up. Whoa, brutal. It's just up and back and forth. But looks like to me overall it's going down. After best opportunity, 10 a.m. Look for a short, possibly on a pound Aussie. Okay, and that's it, traders, for the Forex market preview using the power zone. All right, so I will update you. I'll try to get some more video on some of the trades and stuff like that, but it's very busy. But the trends were pretty much a lot of people made money if they followed the trend last week because a lot of the currency pairs were in trend, so it's very easy to trade a trend. You know, when it's going sideways and you don't know it's going sideways, that's when it's very difficult. Once you're in a trend, it's very easy. Just buy the pullbacks or sell the rallies. A lot of people have problems when the market is sideways, and that's when you get chopped. That's why we call it chop. It'll just chop you right out. All right, traders. So have a profitable week, and we're gonna crush them again this week with the Flux Power Zone. All right, I'm out. You could also subscribe to my YouTube channel and update. There's plenty of other videos on there showing how this works, and stay profitable. I'm out.